not parked the aircraft at the gate and has not turned the seatbelt sign off. This is for your safety as well as for the safety of those around you. You may now use your cell phones and another handheld electronic devices. If you need any information regarding ground transportation luggage claim or connecting flights, Delta agents waiting this flight will be happy to assist you. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Delta Airlines employees and especially Atlanta-based crew bringing you here today, we thank you so much for flying with us and we hope to see you on this or another Delta flight in the near future. Thank you and a good day.